Hello everybody, good morning, welcome to my channel. Today I give Esic UDC mains mock from textbook and I will show you my rank and my score, and I want to discuss the full analysis of this mock. So please guys, if you like this video, so like, share and subscribe my channel. So let's start. You see that out of 4,330 candidates, my rank is 223, and out of 200 I get 133.5, and my accuracy is 88.47%, and my percentile is 94.88%. You see here, out of 50 I get in general intelligence and reasoning portion 45, and in general awareness portion out of 50 I get 24.25, and in 50 out of 50 in quantitative aptitude portion I get 36.85, and in English comprehension portion out of 50 I get 27.5. So let us discuss about the detailed analysis of sectional portion. So if I go the general intelligence and reasoning portion, then you see first 1 to I think 5 questions contain of circular based puzzle, and they mentioned places name. It's one variable puzzle. It was not so tough, it was easy and it's doable, so I easily do it. Next 6 to 10 portion I think silogs, and after that the month based puzzle was asked, and 18th and 27th 2 dates are given there, and it will go I think 11 to 15 questions. Next a direction based question asked, 5 to 3 to 5 questions asked from there, and a pair based question, a suggestion word is given and you have to arrange them in alphabetical order and say both forward and backward direction how to arrange them. That kind of question asked. And next row based puzzle, you were given 2 rows like A, B, C, D, E, F, 6 people sitting in a row which are facing south, and P, Q, R, S, T, V, they are sitting in a row. Second row they are facing north. So 12 people are sitting in 2 parallel rows puzzle. It was not so tough, so I can do it. And next yeah, it's a coding decoding. It was also easy. I think textbook mock is literally easy comparison to any other mock. So yeah, I always tell when I feeling demotivated and you know give mocks but don't get sufficient marks, that time I switch to textbook and try to give mocks as much as I can. That time I see that my mock score will be boosted. So if you feel demotivated, so you can choose textbook mock. It's an easy mock and you will be satisfied after giving this mock. So 25 to 28 portions question I think asked from coding decoding. Yeah, it was easy. And next 29 to I think 32 questions asked from designation based puzzle, and it was also easy. I am capable to do I think 46 questions. 4 questions was wrong. So want to see which questions I have done mistakes. Yeah, it was inequality. It was also easy. Actually, before starting any kind of mock, I divide time portions for each section. Like in reasoning portion I give 30 to 35 minutes, in English comprehension portion I give 25 minutes, quantitative aptitude portion I also give 35 minutes, and the remaining time I give in general awareness. So that's how I divide the whole time management time in this sectional test. And yeah, in case of sectional test, you also see that for each section they will give you 25 to 35 minutes. So if you want to manage your time, so please you give sectional mock test. That will boost your accuracy as well as boost your time management skill. So that was reasoning portion. I think it was not so tough, it was totally easy. And yeah, last it was uncertain puzzle, and I have done mistakes here. What kind of mistakes? Yeah, counting people, how many people are sitting to the left of each. I think in creating these puzzles I have done some mistakes, that's why it was not correct. Yeah, it's a very silly mistake. Next time I try to give my best, not doing anything wrong. So that's the portion of reasoning. If I go the general awareness portion, you see 25 questions correct and 3 questions wrong. That's why I attempted 28 questions and I didn't attempt 22 questions. So 1 2 1 3 8, that kind of questions asked. Basically in general awareness portion, questions asked from current affairs, majority portions from current affairs. But in examinations, I think 55% questions asked from current affairs and 45% questions asked from static GK. So static GK is a majority creator in case of Esic UDC mains examination. So current affairs is a good portion and it's a interesting portion, but static GK it's not interesting. I'm not you know uh, interested in reading of this static GK, but yeah, have to read this to boost my marks in exam. So that's the portion of general awareness. In case of quantitative aptitude, 37 questions I have done correct and 1 questions wrong. So I will show you which questions I have done wrong. Yeah, these questions, quantity based questions. In doing calculation, I think I have done any mistake. Yeah, it's a lengthy question. Lengthy question means the digits are lengthy. So that's why I done it's wrong. First 1 to 5 questions asked from wrong number series. 6 to 10 questions asked from quadratic equation, and these are so easy. 11 to 15 questions asked from approximation. And next I think 20 to 23 questions as well asked from DI, and the DI was not so calculative. If you sincerely do this DI, you can easily solve it out. And next it was a Caslet DI, and I have not attempted it because it was SICI based DI. I think I'm not capable in doing this kind of DI, so that's why I leave it. That after that they were asked total number of employees are given and men to human ratio is given. So they are asked questions from like total number of human working in the organization, what is the number of them, that kind of questions asked from there. Okay, and the DI portions was also easy. Digits are very lengthy, but overall calculations, overall question pattern is easy. Pre-levels question. Basically ESIC UDC means is RRB clerk means level exam, so questions will not be asked very tough. That's the portion of quantitative aptitude. And the last, not the least portion, is English comprehension. So I think 10 to 15 questions asked from RC, and Yeah, you see, synonyms based question. These are not so tough. It was also easy. You see here. Next, erroneous part. You have to choose among the other parts. Find the erroneous part in between these questions. It was an error detection question. I think 16 to 19 questions asked from error detection. Next, which one is correct? You have to choose them. Phrase replacement question. Next, you have to choose which word is incorrect. They were given emboldened part. You have to choose incorrect or misspelled word from there. Misspelled word based question. Next, close test 31 to 35 questions asked from close test. And yeah, there was a single filler also. Single fillers are not so tough. It was also easy. And the last one is parajumble. It was also easy. So overall question pattern is easy to moderate. If you guys don't give this mock, so please give the mock and share your marks and your number, I mean score, and your rank in my comment section. And if you have any query about this mock, please feel free to ask me, and I will try my best to give you answer. And that's all for today. I will meet you soon in the next video. Thank you.